The social construction of nature is used on this project to highlight some strong ideas. One is that nature and cultures or societies are not separate entities. They are intertwined and interdependent. Without that vision, it is not possible to understand nor to intervene in terms of ecological transition. Another idea is that the way we conceive, explain, and deal with nature and ecological challenges is influenced by our social cultural background, the power relations, etc. And instead of an objective and singular reality, we have plural meanings, we have plural natures and relations that coexist in each territory and conditions the ecological transition. Finally, in the context of contemporary social ecological challenges facing global warming, biodiversity loss, extinctions, etc., and other environmental problems, a deeper reflection about the concept of nature seems more necessary than ever.